Rudy, thanks for tuning in. We're going to be real short and quick today. We already got the port removed. It's a PS5 HDMI port replacement. We got the board prepped. Replacement port prepped. Let's get it on. Pretty cool. Surface temperature. Alright, let's seal her in and test her out. Alright, we're back in action. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. New videos dropped every Sunday.